All right, guys, so I made it to the Big Adventures Native Bonafide booth. I got Tyler here from Big Adventures, and we're going to talk about the new native offering called the Hammer. Now, Tyler, here's the thing. If you name the boat the Hammer, does that mean you actually have to be a hammer to fish out of it? Or was the idea that you call it the Hammer because if you fish out of this thing, it'll help make you a hammer?
The latter. Yes, yes. You have a better chance of becoming a hammer if you fish out of this boat, for sure. Yeah, no, hammers, we're really excited about this new boat for our lineup. The Hammer 1210 is 12 feet, 10 inches. I'm going to give you a quick bow to stern walkthrough of what the Hammer offers in our lineup. I think you're going to be pretty excited about what it does. So coming up here at the bow, we've added a tow loop here. So for those that are trailering, it can winch it up. It makes it really versatile to get it up onto the trailer from the water. Makes it easy. We've got a 4-bolt pattern to allow for some mounting of a bow trolling motor up here, and our power link plates to make wiring really easy and efficient from the bow. Coming back a little bit, got a big rotomolded hatch here that has tons of storage in it for your batteries. So let's look here. Got plenty of room for a battery. You got power link here to come in from the wall on your wiring. Got a bucket, and underneath the bucket, got hole access here. So really nice to have that open space in the boat. We're also going to have an accessory molly plate here that can attach to have some wire management and your computer up here if you want it. And then we've had these volet straps here that help to manage your wiring from your battery. So really nice addition to this battery box area compared to the Titan X. So moving back a little further, we've got two tracks back here. That allows for either a captain's bridge or dual mounting for graphs right off of those tracks. So super easy. And then you got your power link to run wiring into. And then another really nice addition here, we've got our new Propel X-Range. We call it the X-Range to give you the confidence to extend your range on the water. So whether you're pedaling or motoring or switching between the two, you have confidence that you've got some redundancy, but you can also just give you a lot of versatility in how you fish this boat. With the X-Range, I'm going to bring in Hans, our designer, to talk more about the pedal drive.
So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is the X-Range. We're actually able to do some pretty cool things with the X-Range. We've added a bunch of functionality to it. So one of the primary things was that we were going to add capacity to the new Hammer. So the boat now has an extra about 100 pounds, is it 100 plus pounds of capacity because we've redesigned the propel drive. And while we were at it, we decided, let's just make the floor feel more like a non-pedal drive boat. So what's really cool is this X-Ray now pivots, folds up out of the way. And so you have all this space to work with just like a non-pedal drive boat. We've redesigned the scupper area. It's much shorter, more compact. And this is the scupper cover. It's gasketed, comes with a dry pod. So you have a bit of storage right there in front of your seat. And then along with the dry pod, we've actually designed into it a latch system. So when you go to deploy the X-Range, it's folded up now on the deck of your boat. It's kind of out of your way. All you got to do is pivot it over, drop it in, and that's it. Locks in, you're ready to go. So some really nice functionality. Same thing when you go to remove it, you're going to pop out. You're going to grab the handle down low, rotate it up. There's a prop stop built in, so now you're actually just going to hit as the prop's rotating, you're going to hit it, stop the prop, and pull it up through. So that's pretty cool. Another thing that's really great about this is that we wanted it to be able to be pulled off the boat quickly. So we've also done, let me throw this back in here, drive cover. So when you're ready to take this off the boat, we have a thwart tube. This is your stabilizer. You can actually just pull the pin and disconnect it. So now that's ready to go. Throw that in the trunk of the car and walk away. So that's kind of a neat little feature that we've got. A couple more things. The grab handle's now in the middle of the drive. We've also got a weed cutter built in, and that's going to be standard on it as well. So the whole unit is a lot more simplified. You can even take the cavitation plate off if you really want to store it like down in a bay or something like that. So a bunch of new features for the X-Range, and it really adds a lot of flexibility to the whole boat because this boat is really designed about being able to use the pedal drive or use motors or both.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Hans. That's really exciting on the X range here. And as Hans alluded to, one of the biggest, coolest features that now we've added so much more capacity to the pedal-driven kayaks that we have. This one's going to come in at about 650 pounds capacity. You know, comparing that to some other models, like it's a nice big jump in capacity here. And then also with that pivot action, as Hans said, it really allows us to clean up and free up some more space here in the cockpit area, which is just valuable real estate on the water, as y'all know. This one's got a motor accessory package on it, so we've got the Wizard foot control steering here. I can see it integrates really easily into the boat here. Nice no-slip traction pads. One thing that's new for this year, we've got these Yak Attack through-hole ports here, so you can run wiring like we've done on this throttle. So it's really easy to customize and run your wiring up here in the cockpit area. We've got dual plano box storage, and then we've got our awesome Pivot Pro seat. Makes it super easy to kind of pivot and reach the back of the boat, and our drawer system. Man, I love this drawer on the water. So quick and easy to access, bait, snacks, tackle, everything you need right up there. We've got staging rod holder, so you're changing out baits, really easy access on the putting your rod there. And then we've got our spring blade rudder system. That's a deployment to lift it up and down easily. Moving back, you can slide the seat forward here. See, we've got some storage here, which is a really nice addition. Quick, throw some top water baits in there, some soft plastics while you're fishing, so you can just move quickly. And then we've got our battery compartment here. This battery compartment's pretty sweet. So right now we've got the 36 volt, 40 amp hour from Newport in here. You can have a bucket in here or take it out to fit batteries on their side. It also fits the low pro system and a wide range of batteries out on the market today. And really nice having the E-plate inside here. So really quick access. You can have a really clean deck because you're all internal wiring into your boat here. All right, moving back a little further. More stern storage. This is the 16 by 16 black pack, and you still have room for the battery and your pack back here. So just a ton of opportunity to store gear. And at that new capacity level, it's just, you can take this wherever you want to. It's really, really great platform. All right, we got another E-plate in the back and our spring blade rudder system. You'll see some inserts back here in the stern where you can add a mount for power poles or any other accessories you want to add back here. And then we got our 4-bolt pattern for motor mounting. Overall, this is so feature rich, a really great step for the Native brand, and hope you guys get a chance to try out the Hammer soon.